Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I was able to buy 1 million EverWise token, and that cost me about $500 plus. And guess what? I did something crazy. I staked it for 3 good years. 3 good years I staked it, and from the EverWise staking principle I am not going to withdraw it for that 3 good years. And it also gave me an NFT. But the essence of this video is to explain to you why I invested in EverWise and why I stayed for this lengthy period of time, my analysis, my research, my findings, okay? And before I show you that, I want to make a discretion, okay? This video is not an advert, neither is it a financial advice, and what I invested is the money that I can afford to lose. Don't forget, the currency is very volatile. It can make you rich, of course, it can get you wrecked. So without further ado, let me show you how I did it. Yeah, welcome back guys. So before I start, this is the official platform for Everrise, okay? So before I start, let me quickly show you my 1 million Everrise token, okay? So that you know that I am not actually bluffing. So at this point, I'm going to log in my stuff. Okay. Okay, so I just logged in my my Binance wallet. Okay, so you can see my Everrise token. So I have I have over 1 million plus Everrise token, and the current price is $536. All right. So this is why that you can even see their NFT. Let me show you the NFT. You can see one of their NFT here. I think I have it. Yeah, you can see the NFT. Okay, I have 2 EverWise NFT. Okay, so if you stake EverWise, you're going to get NFT, and they're still building their NFT. Okay, so it's a very new project. They are not up to 1 year when they came out. Okay, so it's a very new project. So that means I'm one of the early people to have invested in EverWise. And the most amazing fact is that EverWise has an all-time high of what's the all-time high? I think the all-time high is 0.0016 dollar, and that was the all-time high. Okay, and I invested around this area, which means I did not actually buy the top. Okay, so they are still building, and they have a core market cap of $32 million. Okay, so that is quite a very low market cap compared to what the project is actually offering. And 24 hours trading volume is very low, which is just $53,000 plus. Okay, and by the time you start ranging in millions of dollars, then the token will have done a lot of massive profit for me. And also, one thing also to take note is their supply. Okay, the supply is quite huge. They have 71 billion supply, but the security supply is just 3 billion, and they also have a buyback feature, which is also very commendable. Okay, and the place where you can stake EverWise, and where you can buy EverWise, you can buy EverWise from BankySwap, from Next, from TraderJoe, from QuickSwap, and Big One. And the reason why you are able to buy from these different DEX is because EverWise was originally built for the Binance Smart Chain, but now it's comprised of over 5 chains. Okay, so it's currently in the Phantom blockchain, it's currently in the Ethereum blockchain also. Okay, so there are over 5 chains that you can see the Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, and Phantom. So these 5 chains, you can actually use any of their platform to access the EverWise token. So which means that it creates room for investors from different chains to participate without having to migrate to any other chain. And that is really an amazing feature. And they have just one supply for all of the chains. So see, so it's a very cool feature. So this is the EverWise token. Okay, so original buyback token, and the EverWise is basically a blockchain project that allows people to access the file, and they have their project that they are currently building. So these are the projects. These are the project that they are currently building. Let's see the project that they have their Everbridge, they have their EverWorld, NFT Staking Lab, EverWallet, EverMigrate, EverSwap, EverSave, and so these are the projects that they are building their what ecosystem. And one thing I like about them is that they are actually building the project that they say they are going to build, unlike other scam projects that they say they are going to build a particular thing, but on the back end, they are not building anything. But here we are able to identify that yes, these guys are actually building what they're going to say they want to build. So the more this their product has more value in the market, then the token is also going to have that more value. So with all this, let me show you how I was able to stake my EverWise token and got. So if you go to the EverWise platform, okay, you can see the stake session. Click on stake. It take you to the EverWise staking lab. Okay, and if you want to buy EverWise, you can follow the same procedure using the EverSwap. Okay, so let's assume you want to buy EverWise now. You can click on get EverWise, and let's say you are using the Binance Smart Chain, so you can buy it through PancakeSwap. Okay, you can buy it through PancakeSwap. So let me just show you how I was able to stake it. Maybe on the next video, I'll show you how you can buy EverWise token. But I think that is something everyone who is investing into, because you should be able to know how to buy any kind of coin. So if you don't know how to buy a coin, you don't even need to start investing. You need to start studying about the currency, because it's for people who understand systems that are supposed to invest, so that they know the risks and they know the reward they show in. So this is it. So I have to connect my wallet, and I'm using the Binance Smart Chain wallet, which is automatically a web wallet for now. So I just connect it to my stuff, and when it connects, I'm not gonna choose my staking decisions, how long I want to stake it. If it's 1 year, if it's 2 year, and I told you I staked mine for 3 good years. Okay, so if for 3 good years, I'm expecting to make a lot of work from this project. Is my expectation. So you can see that this is their Rise project. They have over 41 billion stakes. For the Binance Smart Chain, they have about 25 billion stakes. And I'm staking using the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so you can see other projects. You can see the Ethereum, they have 5 billion stake in Ethereum, and Polygon, they have 5 billion stake. So you can see that the bigger chain that is carrying the EverWise token is the Binance Smart Chain. So you can see if I want to stake my token, I just click on come to the staking session. Okay, I click on maximum, and then it will already. So currently now I have staked all my tokens. That's why it does not show any value yet, because I automatically staked my token. Okay, so when you click on token, you cannot choose the lock period. Okay, the lock period is going to be that this is the time that I want to withdraw my token. Okay, so that means if you are withdrawing, if you say you are staking with the 1 month, that is 30 days, they're going to give you an NFT worth that amount. Okay, and if you withdraw before that 30 days, you're going to pay a fine for withdrawing. Okay, so if you wait after that 30 days, you are not going to pay any fine. You're going to access all your money for yourself. So you can see me put my staking manager, so that you see so you can see when I started staking, and you can see how much token I have. Okay, so you can see my 2 NFTs for staking. Okay, I stake 276 down here. Yeah, I stake 792. So you can see the NFTs there. And here you can see my reward here. I have in 6,884 Vice token, okay, for my stake token. So I will keep on getting more Vice token in reward for my stake. And the longer you stake, the longer you stake, the higher the reward you get. Okay, so that's just how it is. So this is going to be my reward, and I can claim it, and I can sell it whenever I want to sell it. Okay, or I can claim it and stake it. So it just depends on what I want to do with it. So this is just my my decision. So let me quickly show you how to buy for those who may not know how to buy. So you can use the EverSwap. Okay, this is a project that they are building. The EverSwap, launch EverSwap. So you can use their own swap to trade. Okay, buy their token. So let's say this is how the EverSwap looks like, and I currently have DMB. So let's say assume I want to buy more of EverWise token to stake. I can come here. Since I have to connect my wallet first. After connecting my wallet, I'm going to have BNB. If I want to buy a BNB, if I want to buy with tech, I have to have Ethereum. So what I have is BNB. So I'll just connect my wallet, and then I have 1.8 BNB, so I can decide to buy 20% or 50%. So you're going to see the amount of EverWise I'm going to get. So when I click on swap, then I will not have to confirm this. Okay, so when I confirm it, then automatically they will take my BNB and give me EverWise token. So that's actually how to buy. So you can use the EverSwap to buy if you really want to buy, and then you can then use the staking session to stake that is the NFT staking lab to stake and get reward for yourself. So that is basically, so I just like this project based on my research and my ideology that is going to give me profit at this particular period of time. So that is, so I may change my mind anytime, maybe because I didn't stick both of them for 2 years. I stayed this one for just this one remaining 107 days left to get unlocked. While this one is the one I stood for 3 days, which is 276,000 rights. Okay, I have just 1,044 days left for this. But at least I just have free time. So I can decide to sell this when it's on stake to take my profit while this one will remain for 2 years. So it just depending on how you know how to reduce your risk for your investment. Okay. So that is just basically everything. So before this is just everything about it. If you have any question you want to ask me, you can actually drop it in the comment section. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice or a recommendation, just part of my business I'm sharing with you. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. So if you're using a swap, please, anytime you use a swap, okay, always ensure you remove it from having access to what your wallet. Okay, so this is a safety measure I'm currently teaching you right now. So I have logged in a swap. I will now go to my manage site, and then I have to delete it from what for my manage site so that intruder does not have access to my wallet. Okay, so this is a safety measure that you can do even if you're using Trust Wallet, whatever wallet, this is available for you to do. So anytime you use any DEX platform, always disconnect, okay, or revoke access for that DEX to access your stock. Okay, so this is supposed to be anytime you always revoke. Okay, so yeah, guys. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment, and see you in my next tutorial video.